Pakistan and Uzbekistan are two brotherly countries that enjoy very close cordial relations that are based upon history of centuries. In present time, Pakistan and Uzbekistan are both working on growing and enhancing the bilateral relations through the connectivity that is the idea of President Shavkat Mirziyoyev of Uzbekistan. In this regard, a ceremony was held at the Embassy of Uzbekistan in Islamabad, in which a book was launched and a goal roundtable conference was arranged by Center of Global and Strategic Studies. In this conference, Ambassador Abek Arif Usman briefed the participants about the measures taken so far to promote democracy in the country, human rights, and also the prosperity of the country under the leadership of President Shavkat. Now, Uzbekistan is going into presidential elections on 24th of October. All is set there. Election Commission of Uzbekistan has taken many measures to hold the free and fair elections, and every candidate is being given the equal share in the publicity, and a level playing field has been given to all candidates. In the event, Ambassador briefed about the strategy of President Shavkat for New Uzbekistan, and the officials of CGSS spoke on the occasion regarding the overall development of infrastructure and overall policies of Uzbekistan government in President Islam Karimov and now President Shavkat. Colonel Khalid Taimur of CGSS introduced the book that is specially authored on the President Shavkat and his policies for the prosperity and well-being of Uzbekistan people. He said that President Shavkat Mirziyoyev's policies are playing key role in the upward trends in the economy, in the agriculture, in democracy, in human rights, and in other fields. The president of CGSS, Syed Amir Jafri, also spoke on the occasion, and he narrated the various steps the election commission has taken so far for the holding of presidential elections, and the participants also take part in the discussion. They raised questions and ambassador replied to them to their satisfaction. Here it is worth mentioning that Pakistan and Uzbekistan have signed a connectivity agreement for railway line. From the railway line is always working from Tirmas to the Mazar-e-Sharif of Afghanistan, and then from Mazar-e-Sharif it will come to Jalalabad and then Peshawar. This railway line will connect Pakistan, Afghanistan, Uzbekistan. Moreover, both countries are working upon the starting of direct flights between Tashkent, Lahore and other cities, and soon it can be started. It was stopped only due to the corona pandemic, and now it is about to start again. Moreover, the cities of Tirmaz and Peshawar are being declared twin cities by the governments in few days. A decision in principle has already been taken. Report Tazeen Akhtar for Azkar News.